Hello and welcome to our presentation. I hope everyone's doing well. My name is Scott Burgess, Application Engineer and the manager of the Roland DGA Imagination Center in Massachusetts. As you may already know, Roland is a manufacturer of a variety of devices that are widely used in the graphics and sign-making industries. Later in this broadcast, I'll be joined by Product Manager Jay Roberts, who's going to tell you more about what to consider when looking to add a UV flatbed printer to your business. During this presentation, he will provide you with 3 key considerations for your business, why we think they're important, and introduce you to this: Roland DGA's IU1000 UV flatbed printer. Our goal today is to give you some useful information, a little advice, an opportunity to learn about the potential return on investment from the Roland DGA solution. Hear a first-hand account from a Roland IU1000 owner and end user, and offer you a free sample from this amazing device. And with that, I'd like to introduce Jay Roberts, UV Product Manager for Roland DGA in Irvine, California.
Thank you, Scott, and welcome everyone. My name is Jay Roberts, Product Manager for UV printers at Roland DGA. And before I get too far, let's define what a flatbed printer is. Now, flatbed printer, like our IU1000 are printers characterized by the flat surfaces upon which the material is placed on and printed on. A flatbed printer can be an incredibly versatile, highly productive, and extremely profitable tool for your business. Now, whether you're creating a large signage for retail stores, events or trade shows, wall graphics for corporate lobbies or office spaces, decor or even art, printing on leather and fabrics or canvas, or unique displays printed directly to acrylics or glass or clear substrates, the possibilities are really amazing. Now, at Roland, we've found that there are many things to think about when considering a flatbed printer. From the installation and training to the features and the capabilities and everything in between. Now, that said, there are 3 big things that we must consider when looking at a flatbed printer. The first big consideration is speed versus quality. Every business needs to be productive and efficient in order to be profitable. And in some cases, speed comes at a price. And that price is typically quality. Many UV flatbed printers are fast, whipping out print boards a minute at a time. Great for those jobs that don't require the attention to detail. And on the opposite end, there are super high quality printers that take a long time, but hold up productivity. The best option and solution that we've found is something that meets both needs, meets in the middle. Look at a flatbed printer that offers those differences in configurations or print modes. With the IU1000 the UV flatbed printer, we offer 12 high-performance print heads set in staggered 3 rows that allow for a multitude of print modes and speeds and qualities. First, from 4-color draft mode, producing 35 4x8s an hour, to a standard mode, which we consider our sweet spot, producing up to 15 boards an hour. Now, the other side of that pendulum, we offer quality and high quality print modes that are geared toward those jobs that are really finite details, such as backlit, or very legal, very purposeful jobs with finite detail. Now, I mentioned ink configurations. We have 2 sets of ink configurations on the IU1000. One that offers a gloss and a primer along with white, and the other that offers a dual white configuration. And dual white configuration is for those customers who aren't going to be using gloss or a primer, but just want to have a dual white print head that offers quality and productivity for backlit displays or for printing on black substrate. Now, the second thing to consider when you're looking at a flatbed printer is the available inks. The ink of choice for flatbed technology is UV, and if you're not familiar with it, there are some great advantages to using this type of ink. It dries or cures quicker, it's more durable, And depending on your printer, there are some amazing applications that can be done with UV. Based on the applications you're planning to print, you may mostly be using CMYK, or you may need or want to use some special inks to improve print output or to offer customers something unique. Some printers, like the IU1000, feature different ink configurations to help you maximize production while having the ability to expand your print application offerings, reaching a variety of customers in different industries. The IU1000 comes with either a standard white CMYK gloss and primer or a double white configuration. With the staggered 3-row arrangement, you'll have the ability to output multi-layer prints in one pass. It also features a variable droplet technology, simultaneously firing 5, 7, and 15 picoliter drop sizes all at one time. This means you're going to get higher definition, smoother gradients, and better solid outputs without a loss of speed. The third consideration is the hardware. What's the build quality? Flatbeds are large pieces of machinery with heavy moving parts. How well your device is built not only determines the longevity of the machine, but it also greatly affects how well it prints. The more stable your machine is while moving, the more effective the ways in which the printer keeps the substrate in position plays a huge role in the quality of the output that you get. Now take the IU1000 for example. It's solid. Built to high quality specs and able to handle the gantry and print heads moving at high speeds without sacrificing print quality. It features a variable zone vacuum table with control by section that holds your substrate firmly in place. It features automatic media detection system which measures the thickness of your substrate automatically, and it features an automatic media alignment system which allows you to position your media in the same spot each time. Now the IU1000 is supported by Roland DGA with one of the best warranties in the business and service in the industry. You'll be assured to rest easily at night. Now, with that, thank you again. My name is Jay Roberts, UV Product Manager. Let's head over to Scott for more on the IU1000F.
Thanks, Jay. So as Jay outlined, there are some real factors to think about when considering a flatbed printer. The IU1000F from Roland DGA is a viable solution to your UV flatbed printing needs. Take a look at some of this ROI information related to owning and operating an IU1000F printer. But listen, don't take our word for it. Here's some feedback from Greg Analian, who runs print production for the City of Los Angeles and recently installed their own IU1000F.
At this time with COVID-19 situation, the mayor's office, they made new guidelines. All the departments, before they open, they made a catalog and they say, I can say, combination of sizes, material variations, hundreds of different items, whether it's a vinyl decal, float decal, indoor, outdoor, coroplast with A-frame. I ended up calling ABC Graphics. He said there's a new machine came out. But the key thing that made me, number one, the speed. I was told ABC found out from Roland that, yes, they can get it done within 2 weeks. That was number one. Number two is the speed. Comparing the machine we have here, it was, technically speaking, 5 times faster. And so in addition to that, it has up to 4 inches, I believe 4 inches plus. So that's another extra feature. And having a gloss finish, that's another. Any rush jobs I have, I'm running on a Roland, and I say, I don't want to touch the other machine anymore. There was a day I ran 100 sheets, so 4x8 fully. So that's one of the first time ever running on a flatbed that fast. Before that, we were running within 9 hours, 27 to 30 sheets, the maximum. Yeah. So because of the circumstances, we were able to make this happen. And thanks to you guys, Roland, to make this possible.
If you're looking for a flatbed printer, the IU1000F may be the perfect solution for you. We'd like to send you a free sample so you can see the print quality and color output for yourself. Simply go to our website at www.rolanddga.com and fill out the sample request form that's found on the IU1000F page. Or if you'd like to schedule a demonstration of the IU1000F, contact your local Roland DGA dealer or call us at 800-542-2307. Thanks very much for joining us today. Enjoy the rest of the show, and everyone, please stay healthy.